Today we are going to begin fourth unit, features on interfacing of programmable devices for 8086 based system. This unit consists of various topics. Those are Intel IC8255 programmable peripheral interface, interfacing switches and LEDs with 8086 through 8255, interfacing 7 segment displays with 8086 through 8255, traffic light control with 8086 through 8255, interfacing ADC with 8086 through 8255, Intel timer IC8253, introduction to serial communication, IC8259 programmable interrupt controller, IC8237 DMA controller. Now we will begin first topic, that is Intel IC8255 programmable peripheral interface. Intel microprocessors can transfer the data between external devices such as input and output devices through ports. In normal conditions, a register can act as an I/O port, a separate register, and configuring it for input and output operation becomes difficult. Intel has designed a separate IC called 8255 with the objective of interfacing input and output devices with Intel microprocessors. Those are 8085 and 8086. The IC8255 is also called as Programmable Peripheral Interface, that is PPI. This chip can perform both digital input and output operations from the microprocessor. The common features of IC8255: this IC consists of 40 pins and it consists of 24 input and output lines called I/O lines. These 24 I/O lines are divided into 3 ports: port A, port B, and port C. Each port size is 8-bit. Port A represented as PA7 to PA0, port B represented as PB7 to PB0, and port C represented as PC7 to PC0. Port C has been divided into 2 groups of 4 bits each, as port C upper PCU and port C lower PCL. The PCU consists of 4-bit lines PC7 to PC4. PCL consists of 4-bit lines PC3 to PC0. And 24 I/O lines divided into 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Each group consists of 12 lines. Group A consists of port A 8 lines and port C upper lines. Group B consists of port B lines and port C lower lines. All the ports can be programmed for simple I/O operation or handshake I/O operation for the data transfer in I/O mode. And each bit of port C can be programmed independently for input and output operation. That is, each port C bit can be set or reset individually in bit set mode called as BSR mode. The common applications of IC8255: the 8255 is used in various applications. Some of the applications are given. Those are turning on and off of an electronic switch. The switch may be either BJT or MOSFET or insulated gate bipolar transistor. And the 8255 used for controlling movement of any object by use of DC motor or AC motor or stepper motor. And 8255 used for detecting the position of any object using proximity sensors. The 8255 are used to interface with different sensors like temperature, flow, pressure, level through analog to digital converters. Now let us see the internal block diagram or architecture of IC 8255. This block diagram consists of various blocks. Those are Group A Port A block, Group A Port C upper block, Group B Port C lower block, Group B Port B block. These four blocks are controlled by using two blocks, Group A control and Group B control. The Group A control block controls Group A Port A block and Group A Port C block, and Group B control block control two blocks, Group B Port B block and Group B Port C block. And it consists of another two blocks, data bus buffer and read write control logic, where data bus buffer is a 3-state 8-bit data bus buffer and it is controlled by read write control logic. The read write control logic manages all of the internal and external transfers of both data and control words. The control signals read bar, write bar, A1, A0 and reset signals are the input signals to the read write logic. These signals are provided by the microprocessor to the read and write control logic of 8255. The data bus buffer is a 8-bit 3-state directional buffer used to interface the 8255 internal data bus with external system bus of the microprocessor. This data buffer can receive or transmit data upon the execution of instructions like input and output instructions by the microprocessor. And the control words or status information is also transferred through the data bus buffer by using 8 data lines. From one side of the block diagram, I/O devices are connected through the ports. On the other side of the block diagram, microprocessor is connected. So by using interfacing with 8255, one side of 8255 connected with peripherals and other side of 8255 connected with microprocessor. Now let us see the pin diagram of IC 8255. This pin diagram consists of 40 pins. Among 40 pins, 24 pins belongs to 24 I/O lines. These 24 I/O lines are divided into 3 ports, port A, port B, port C. Port A consists of 8 lines, PA0 to PS7. Port B consists of 8 lines, PB0 to PB7. Port C consists of 8 pins or 8 lines, PC0 to PC7. And 8 pins are reserved for 8 data lines, D0 to D7. And remaining lines belongs to control signals read bar, write bar and 2 address lines A1 and A0 and reset pin, CS bar pin and 2 power supply pins VCC and ground. Now let us see the pin description of IC8255. The port lines PA7 to PA0, these are 8 port A lines that act as either latched output lines or buffered input lines depending on control word loaded into the control word register. The port lines PB7 to PB0 are 8 port B lines that act as either latched output or buffered input lines depending on control word loaded into the control word register called CWR. PC7 to PC4 called as upper nibble of port C lines called as PCU. These lines act as either output latches or input buffer lines. These ports can be also used for generation of handshake signals in mode 1 operation and mode 2 operation for port A. PC3 to PC0 called as port C lower PCL. These lines act as either output latches or input buffer lines. These ports can also used for generation of handshake signals in mode 1 for port B only. And 8 data lines D7 to D0. called as bidirectional data lines, which carries the data or status or control word to the microprocessor or from the microprocessor. The reset signal is a logic high signal. When the signal is logic high, it clears the control word register of 8255 and all ports are becomes set, that is used as input ports by default after reset. VCC and ground are two power supply signals, plus 5 volts and 0 volts is connected to the pins VCC and ground. Read bar signal is active low signal driven by the microprocessor and should be low to indicate that the processor perform read operation. And write bar signal, this is active low signal driven by the microprocessor and should be low, indicate that the microprocessor perform write operation. And CS bar is a chip enable signal. This signal is active low, then the 8255 will respond to the read and write signals. Otherwise, the read-write signals are neglected. The two address lines of 8255 A0 and A1 are driven by the microprocessor address lines. These address lines are used for addressing any one of the register or port, that is 3 ports and control word register. The address lines A0, A1 with read signal and write signal and CS bar performs various operations of 8255. These operations are specified in the given tables below. From the first table, 3 signals are used: CS bar, A1, A0. Where CS bar equals 0, the 8255 is enabled or selected. If CS bar equal to 1, the chip is not selected. If CS bar equals 0, depends upon two address lines A1 and A0 used to select either port A, port B, port C or control word register of 8255. Next, in the next table, two control signals read bar and write bar along with CS bar A1, A0 used to perform either read operation or write operation. Initially, the read bar signal is 0 and write bar signal equal to 1. Depends upon the CS bar A1, A0, the processor read data from port A or port B or port C or read status from the control word register using 8 data lines D0 to D7. If read bar signal 0, CS bar 0, A1 0, A0 0, the processor read data from port A through data bus. Read bar signal 0, CS bar 0, A1 becomes 0, A0 1. The processor select port B and read the data from port B through 8 data lines. Read bar signal 0, CS bar 0, A1 1, A0 0. The processor select port C and read data from port C through 8 data lines. Read bar signal 0, CS bar 0, A1 1, A0 1. The processor select control word register of 8255 and read status from that control word register through 8 data lines D0 to D7. Now let us see the write operation, that is output operation. In this operation, write bar signal becomes 0, read bar signal 1. Depends upon the CS bar A1, A0, the processor select port A or port B or port C or control word register. When write bar signal 0, CS bar 0, A1 0, A0 0, the processor select port A and write data to the port A through data bus. Write bar signal 0, CS bar 0, A1 0, A0 1, the processor select port B and write data to the port B through data bus. The write bar signal 0, CS bar 0, A1 1, A0 0, the processor select port C and write data to the port C through data bus. And last, WR bar signal 0, CS bar 0, A1, A0 both are 1 1, the processor select register called control word register and the processor write control word to the control word register through data bus. From the last table, if CS bar equal to 1, irrespective of other signals, the bus is tri-stated, means the IC is not selected. If CS bar equal to 0, both read and write bar signals active high, and both address lines are XX, don't care. The chip is enabled, but no read and write operations are not performed, and data bus is tri-stated. Now let us see the operating modes of 8255. The 8255 operated in two modes called as IO mode and BSR mode. By sending control word to the control word register according to the control word format, the 8255 operated in two modes, IO mode and BSR mode. In the control word, the D7 bit is equal to 1, that operating mode called as input output mode. In the control word, D7 bit is 0, then the operating mode called as BSR mode. In the IO mode of operation, again 3 mode of operations are used by the 8255. Those are mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. In mode 0 is also called as basic IO mode. All ports, port A, port B, port C, used as a simple input and output ports. In mode 1 operation called as handshake IO mode of operation, this mode of operation used for both group A and group B. Mode 2, also called as bidirectional IO operation, is this mode only used for group A ports only. All the ports of 8255 can function independently, either an input or output port. This can be achieved by programming bits of an internal register of 8255 is called control word register. There are two modes of control word register formats, IO mode control word format and BSR mode control word register format. Now let us see the control word format for IO mode of operation and BSR mode of operation. In IO mode control word register format of 8255, this format consists of 8 bits D0 to D7. From 8 bits, D7 bit always 1. If D7 bit always 1, this control word format belongs to IO mode format. And bits D6 and D5 used for selection of mode for group A, D4 bit used for selection of direction of the port A, D3 bit used for direction of port C upper, D2 bit used for mode selection of group B, D1 bit used for direction of port B, D0 bit used for direction of port C lower. So according to the bits of lines either 0 or 1, the 8255 can operated in IO mode or mode selection of group A and group B. Now consider discussing of IO control word format. In that format, D7 bit always 1 indicates that the 8255 is used as IO mode. The bits D6 and D5 are used to select the operating modes of group A to perform any one of these following modes: mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. The mode 0 is also called as basic IO mode. In this mode, the bits D6 and D5 both are 0. In this mode, the port A, port B, port C can be operated as either input ports or output ports. In this mode, no interrupt signals are used. It is also called as simple IO mode. Next, mode 1 operation, also called as strobed or handshake IO mode. To get this mode 1 operation, bits D6 and D5 both are 0 and 1. In this mode, port A is configured as mode 1 and port C upper port C lines PC7 to PC4 carries handshake signals and control signals for data transfer in port A. Next, mode 2 operation, also called as strobed bidirectional IO mode of operation. To select this operation, bits D6 and D5 both are 1x, where x represent 0 or 1. In this mode, port A is operated in bidirectional mode, either input and output, and port C lines used for handshaking. Bit D4 used to select the direction of data flow in port A bits. If this bit equal to 1, port A used as input port. If this bit equal to 0, port A used as output port. Next, bit D3 used to decide whether port C upper PC7 to PC4 bits used as either input port or output port. If D3 equal to 1, the port C upper used as input port, D3 bit equal 0 used as output port. Bit D2 used to select mode for group B. Only two operating modes are available for a single bit, either 0 or 1, that is mode 0 and mode 1. In mode 0 operation, this mode of operation selected if D2 bit is 0. In this mode, only port B and port C lower used as simple I/O ports. Mode 1 operation selected for group B if bit D2 is set to 1. In this port B used as either I/O port, and port C lower carries handshake signals for data transfer in port B. Bit D1 used to select data direction for port B. If it is 0, the port B used as output port, and 1 used as input port. Bit D0 used to select data direction for port C lower. If it is 0, the port C pins or port C lines used as output pins, and if it is 1, they are used as input pins. Now let us see the BSR mode control word format of IC8255. In this BSR mode, D7 bit always 0 to indicate that BSR mode. The bits D6, D5, D4 always don't cares. The bits D3, D2, D1 belongs to bit select bits B2, B1, B0. These three bits are used to select port C lines, any one of the bit of port C bits. And D0 bit may be either 1 or 0. If it is 1, set, 0, reset. In BSR mode, any one of the 8 bits of port C can be set or reset by using single control word return to the control word register of 8255. Now let us see, you want to select a particular bit of port C and setting or resetting of that bit by using BSR control word format. If you want to select a bit of port C bits, use bits B2, B1, B0 in BSR control word, and setting and resetting of that selected bit of port C, use D0 bit of BSR control word register. That is for setting of that particular bit D0 equal to 1 and resetting of that particular bit of port C D0 equal to 0. So the below table shows the selection of port C bits. B2, B1, B0, 3 bits provides 8 combinations. For each combination, any one of the port C line is selected. After selecting that port C line, you want to set that port C line by using a D0 bit. D0 equal to 1, the selected bit of port C becomes set, that is used as input line. If D0 equal to 0, the selected bit of port C becomes reset, can be used as output line. Now consider examples. Example 1, configure the ports of the 8255 as follows. Port A used as input port, port B used as output port, port C upper used as output port, port C lower used as input port. Assume that the control register address in the 8255 is 46H. Configure the ports in the simple I/O mode. For the given example, find the control word for a given ports used as input ports and output ports in simple I/O mode. The solution for this example is the control word format for the given conditions in the given table The table consists of 8 bits D0 to D7. For this simple IO mode of operation, D7 bit always 1. D6, D5 belongs to mode selection of group A. So group A consists of port A and port C upper. These ports used as either input or output port. Select mode 0 operation. So D6 and D5 both are 0, 0. And D4 bit belongs to direction of port A. The port A used as input port in the example. So D4 becomes 1. D3 bit belongs to direction of port C upper. The port C upper used as output port. So D3 bit becomes 0. D2 bit belongs to mode selection of group B. So group B consists of two ports, port B and port C lower. These two ports used as input and output ports. So group B used in mode 0 operation. So D2 becomes 0. D1 bit belongs to direction of port B. Here the port B used as output port. So D1 bit becomes 0. D0 bit belongs to direction of port C lower. Here port C lower used as input port. D0 bit becomes 1. So according to the given example, the binary pattern of that control word is represented as 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 equal to 91H. So this 91H control word is copied to control word register of 8255 with address 46H. So we can use two instructions to perform this operation: move instruction and out instruction. First, copy the control word into the AL register. From that AL register, control word is sent to out instruction, that is port address of control word register. Move AL, 91H instruction, copy the control word 91H into the AL register. Out instruction 46, AL, copy the control word from AL register to the port address 46H. Now let's consider second example. Find the data direction and modes of operation of ports of 8255. The control word written into the register is A0H. Now A0H is represented in binary zeros and ones. The corresponding control word format is represented in given table D7 to D0. D7 bit is equal to 1, belongs to IO mode of operation. D6, D5 both are 0, 1. The group A is operated in mode 1 operation. D4 bit 0, that is indicates that port A direction is output port. D3 bit is 0, port C upper direction is output port. D2 bit 0, that belongs to group B, is operated in mode 0. D1 bit 0, the port B direction is output port. D0 is equal to 0, port C lower direction is output port. From the table we conclude that the direction and modes of all ports are given, that is port A used as output port in mode 1, port B used as output port in mode 0, port C upper used as output port, and port C lower used as output port. So these are some important questions belongs to this IC 8255. First one, explain about Intel 8255 programmable parallel interface. Second one, explain the block diagram of IC 8255. Third one, discuss the organization and architecture of 8255 programmable peripheral interface with its block diagram. Explain the pin diagram of IC 8255. Explain the IO mode and BSR mode control word register formats of 8255. Find the data direction and modes of operations of ports of the 8255 if the control word written is 80H. Find BSR control words for setting PC4 pin and resetting PC2 pin in 8255. Now let us see the solutions of last two questions, 6 and 7. From the sixth question, find the data direction and modes of operations of ports of 8255 if the control word written is 80H. The control word 80H format is shown below. D7 to D0. The 80H is represented in binary zeros and ones. D7 equal to 1 indicates that This control word format belongs to IO mode control word format. D6 and D5 belongs to mode selection of group A. Whenever both are 0, 0, group A is operated in mode 0 operation. D4 bit belongs to direction of port A. This bit is 0. Port A used as output port. D3 bit belongs to port C upper direction. This is 0. The port C upper used as output port. D2 bit used for group B mode selection. This bit is 0. Group B is operated in mode 0 operation. D1 bit 0 belongs to direction of port B. It is 0. The port B used as output port. D0 belongs to port C lower direction. 0. Port C lower used as output port. From that format, we conclude that all ports used in that mode 0 operation, that is port A, port B, port C, all are used in mode 0 operation, simple IO mode, and all ports used as output ports. Now consider another one. Find BSR control word for setting PC4 pin and resetting PC2 pin in 8255. Now consider BSR mode control word format. D7 to D0 represented as D7 bit 0, always 0 for BSR mode. D6, D5, D4, 3 bits are don't cares. D3, D2, D1 belongs to B2, B1 bits of port C, and D0 belongs to either 1 or 0. Now consider for setting PC4 bit. First select PC4 bit by using B2, B1, B0. For B2, B1, B0, 3 bits becomes 1, 0, 0, used for selection of PC4 bit. After selecting PC4 bit, you want to set PC4 bit by using D0 bit. Now D0 bit becomes 1. So the control word format for setting PC4 is represented as 0xxx1001. So the control word for this format may be any one of the control word, depends upon the don't care combinations. So the control word may be either 09H or 19H or 29H, 39H, 49H or 59H, 69H or 79H. Consider any one of the control word belongs to for setting PC4. Now consider for resetting PC2. To select PC2 bit, the bits B2, B1, B0 are equal to 0, 1, 0. After selecting PC2 bit of port C lines, you want to reset the PC2 bit by using D0 bit. D0 bit is equal to 0, then the PC2 bit is reset. That is, it can be considered as output line. So based on don't care combinations, we get 8 control words. Those are 04H, 14H, 24H, 34H, or 44H, 54H, 64H, or 74H. Use any one of the control word we get. We are used to reset the PC2 bit. Thank you.